previously before this court last week. Is that correct?
Wesley and Celie Mathews are one step closer to losing parental rights to their surviving daughter. Both remain behind bars after their adopted daughter Sharon was found dead in October.
Robbie Owens has been sitting in on that hearing through the day today. She's live for us from Dallas with what happened inside that meeting. What's next, Robbie?
Well, Doug, the judge's finding today of aggravated circumstances means CPS does not have to provide services for this family to work toward reunification, even if the Mathews are able to get out of jail. In fact, the next step is a hearing to set a trial date to terminate their parental rights.
Life continues to unravel for Wesley and Celie Mathews. The Richardson couple arrived in court in handcuffs, looking for some hope that they would one day be reunited with their biological daughter, now living with relatives near Houston.
What this case is about is for a felony court down the street.
But the civil hearing often took on the tone of the criminal case that's still unfolding.
Didn't it, though? Yes.
Attorney Mitchell Nolte represents Celie Mathews. He's asking for the public's patience.
It's a very tragic thing. Nothing we can do to bring poor Sharon back. All we can do is ask to wait to rush to judgment. There's always another side to the story than just what the police put out there in the initial.
Over 2 days of testimony, Judge Cheryl Lee Shannon heard from a pediatrician about suspicions of abuse involving Sharon and various broken bones. And a Richardson police detective reminded the judge that Wesley Mathews' story from the very beginning just didn't add up.
He was almost quoting the penal code to us.
What do you mean?
That he had endangered Sharon, that he had abandoned her.
How many explanations did Wesley Mathews give you?
I can think of at least 2.
I asked Wesley Mathews' attorney if his client changing his story has hurt his case.
I think that's a loaded question, okay? Number one, you got to put yourself in his shoes. An accident occurred and you just lost your child, and perhaps you've been up all night for 24 hours, and you've got all these things going through your head, and you say whatever you say.
Again, the attorneys will meet on January 3rd on that hearing, and all of the attorneys for the Mathews continue to insist that they are good parents. Live in Dallas at the Henry Wade Juvenile Justice Center, Robbie Owens, CBS 11 News. All right.